Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using the new Chibitronics Lawn Fawn collaboration kit, which just came in the mail yesterday. And this is a super cute kit and it's a great deal. So if you're wanting to kind of get your feet wet and try out the light up cards, this is a great one. It was $25 and you get 6 lights, the copper tape, 2 batteries. You get this adorable stamp and die set from Lawn Fawn. Those robots are adorable. And then you get all the parts, directions, and the parts to make 2 cards, which if you go to their website, which right there, you can see how to put together both of these cards. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do my own thing because I really wanted to use another Lawn Fawn set that I thought it would be a really cute scene card. So I'm going to put all my pieces to the side and show you what we're going to do. So I'm going to be doing this on a 5x7, so that's my 5x7 card base. These are the Bristol Smooth cardstock because we're going to be doing some ink blending. I'm going to be using the robot stamp and the Your Sublime stamp and die set from Lawn Fawn. I'm also going to be making waves and a boat for my robots and then the whole underwater scene. So for my boat, since I don't have a die for that, I'm going to use the weathered clock die. So see the center's got like jagged edges, and I thought I could make a really cool boat out of that. And then this vintage, I don't know how to say that word, so I'm not even going to try, but it makes like a suitcase. But these parts right here, these pieces kind of look like wood. So I'm going to turn them into wood, and that's how I'm going to put together my boat for my little robots. I thought I was going to use this, and that's why I'm showing it to you, but I didn't end up using it because I colored more than enough pieces that I didn't need it. I also didn't use the clouds, the little cloud die, but I did use the sand die and the water die from this tropical scene, and that's a Karen Bernstein die set. And I'm not going to talk through this whole thing. I'm just going to put some music on and just let you watch the process. I sped it up real fast just because it took like over 3 hours to make this card. So I will just let you watch some music, listen to some music, and watch the coloring. Like I said, I sped it up a lot, so this won't be a very long process to watch, but it's kind of fun to see how people put these together, so I figured I would make a video for you. I have all the colors listed, well not listed, but I have the caps all off to the side, so if you want to know what I'm using, just take a peek off to the side. And again, thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. It gives you some cute ideas for how to make some scene cards using this Lawn Fawn Chibitronics collaboration kit, and I will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.